No, but she was looking, I know it, I mean, guys, Joanne and her wash belly there, and the only thing that Joanne could look on the picture and say is, look at my big hands. I don't, this is who she is. Conversations over coffee with the coffee maker herself. Joanne Williams is here. It's so good to sit and talk to you after all these years.
It's so good to see you.
Because we go back.
All
of us go back. It's family.
Yep.
And here you are now in your PNA uniform.
Yes, my dear.
Because you're going to work.
Shortly.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes, darling.
But you're the mom of a Grammy winner, a star.
And that is her job.
So there are people looking on saying, why is Joanne still working?
Yes, I've had that. And I don't know, it's her money. She's making her money. She's eating her food. I am eating my food. So because she's eating her food, that means I must sit down and drop, make she pay for my food constantly. I know independent.
Yeah.
I've taught her that. And all my children.
Yeah.
I still have to make my $2. So
I asked her that because I wanted you to see the mettle of the woman with whom we're talking this morning, because this is really who she is. Yeah. What has happened to your daughter in the last 2 years is nothing short of mind-blowing.
Mind-boggling.
She would have graduated Arden sixth form last year.
Last year, June.
Right?
She would have, yeah.
Yeah, but instead she was busy like touring the world.
Can I tell you, last year, June, we were getting ready to go to Europe on her first road trip tour.
Mm-hmm.
It was in the form of a road trip, so we drove to various cities, and we did a few countries as well.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Tell me what
fun.
the last 2 years have been like for you, watching
my
her. I
goodness.
read you say when you watch her side stage, your mouth still drop open and you're still like, who is that? And then you say, am I baby that?
It's true, it's true. Look at her. Look at her.
Look at you. Oh my God. Good, take out the tissue out of your pocket. Yeah, them are water. It happens a lot on this show. Oh my God.
No, man. But it is just, it's just, I can't find that one word to use. It's just out of this world when I see her. It is, Simone, it's just wonderful. I just have to give thanks. When I look back, Simone, because you remember the baby.
Yeah.
And because she may not remember you because she was so little. But when we used to work, and I never had up on the hustle.
Yeah.
And sometimes the struggle was real.
I know.
I never imagined in my wildest dreams that the struggle would come to this. And I mean, so soon. Her middle name is Victoria. And I remember her asking me once or twice, Mommy, what Victoria though? And I said, girl, look here. I never have no money. You have it, and that name sounds very rich.
Oh, hallelujah.
Okay. Praise the Lord, sister.
You put it out there.
Yeah.
Can I get an amen?
Yes.
Somebody. Yes, Joe.
You have to have money.
Yes.
And that name sounds rich.
But tell me about raising her, because she grew up in Eltham.
Yes.
Right?
Eltham View.
Eltham View. I spoke to her granddad and she said, Auntie, it's so nice to meet you because Mommy told me all about you. And I was like, who is this little girl? She's so centered. She's so humble. She's so down to earth with everything she's gained. And people look on and say, oh my gosh, this must be the evidence of how she was brought up. So how did you manage that? Because you are a Christian, steeped in your faith. When you saw that she wanted to go the musical route, how hard was that for you to have the secular music with it?
It was hard, man. It was hard. I started thinking, oh, what would God do?
Did you think you'd done something wrong? Did you think?
Yeah, there are times when I felt, okay, so she's not singing church songs. And then there were times when I struggled with, oh, what will the church think? What will the church say? And then I realized, but then she's not singing the regular songs either.
Exactly.
And I thought to myself, the church is not God. Pastor is not God. None of my church members are God. So, or is God. So I say, well, you know, I'm going to guide this child as best as I possibly can. I've been doing that with God as my guide, and I will continue. You know, and that's it.
When did you start to really love the music? When did you see that she was like
Same.
hell-bent on doing this?
She was in, it was fifth or sixth form. I wish she was here. She'd have got better tell me, because there's so many things to remember now. I'm not remembering exactly, but I think it was fifth form. Her last year, there was a benefit performance at Arden for, that's something there. Something. Can't remember it right now. But for the Ardenites would be out there saying yes, yes, and saying thank you, Ardenites. Text it to Simone and tell her what it is, so somebody can tell her.
Too
but
funny.
it's a holiday, it's Hollywood something. Something goes Hollywood.
Okay.
Right. So she was to perform that night, and she sent me to look for pants for her. I went and got the pants. She told me she wanted yellow pants. And she get her white shirt, and me go to town and walk up and down.
You mean down at town?
What you say?
Yeah.
Down at Orange Street, bottom there's some man, and me get her yellow pants, and she have performance now. But before, I'm saying something. Before that, she had a performance at school where, and I was never invited. I never get a chance to see these things, you know. So I don't know what's going on really.
Oh, you don't invite?
Because it's school time.
They don't invite yourself?
No, I behave myself. But try to behave in a Simone.
Right.
Me I try to behave these days.
Okay.
Yes, man.
Okay, things have
so,
changed.
school had something was going on, a competition of sorts where she found herself in. I don't know that she said she never planned to go in there, and somebody heard her and just threw her knife pretty much, you know. So she went on and she entered, and she tied for first place with a young man who did beatbox. And so we heard good things about that. I saw a little clip, and I was like, I'm a daughter that spit lyrics. So
Do you know she bad so?
No. She write from third form, and when she done school, I go through her book them and something, I give her and I throw it. And I said, but her lyrics them here. Her lyrics to pick me right. So that's how I knew. But because she was very private with it. She used to sit down up at night time with guitar, you know, till hours a night. Remember I said Arden she go. We live at Spanish Town. She have to get up 4 o'clock morning time to leave by 5:30 to get a ride going. She used to take the bus and then we start getting a ride from some neighbors up the road. And she had the guitar till all 11:30, 12. I said, go to bed now, girl. And she would never. she not rude, no, she lock off the light and she kind of, but when she did that performance now at the benefit something, I went and saw her. My dear ma, well, I'm talking to you and I'm remembering. And I was like, me a video and I can't believe I could.
That's incredible.
And then now, when she did the thing for Bolt now, I remember her music teacher at the time, he came by and said to her, she showed him what she had and in the morning, and she said, him look at it and him say, all right, go back now and write something else. Write about like a Bob Marley, a Marcus Garvey. And me say, and Miss Lou.
Of course.
I remember that as clear as it was yesterday, like it was yesterday, and she went back. And by the night, she had the lines. She had the lines. And I was like...
Gift. That's a gift, Joe.
And then she came to TVJ that when she was invited after she dropped that, she got the call like the Friday to come in the Wednesday morning. So me come and I say, oh, Simone, they don't come. It was Empress coming back that morning. And that was her comeback morning with Neville.
Okay.
So you weren't here. And I say, oh, I say, Simone knows my picnic. Anyway.
But Joe, how much of that is you? Because your background is in theatre.
Can I tell you that? I tried to get her in theatre as well, in so many ways. Sharonda was our agent, Sharonda.
What?
Yes. So Sharonda she get Michaela the 2 commercials in this life. See, Michaela worked a long time.
We need to find those commercials.
Yes, she did one. The first one was for JPS. It was an energy saving something. And with her and a sibling,
Ruth Lynn
apparently.
Johnson from JPS. Can we find that ad? And what's the other one?
Quartz, where it was a Christmas time when she walked in with her parents, and then I think she jumped on either the bed or the sofa. Yeah, so that was those 2. She had worked a long time.
So where she get her style from, Joe?
You know, say, it's a thing for herself. She just find her own thing. She was never ever one who, she not keep plenty friends. She didn't have friends. She never went anywhere. She really chose to be home. Can I tell you that it was a pleasure raising that little girl.
Oh, God.
So the only part of me never so excited about the fact that she used to bawl after me. Oh, geez, Simone.
She used to bawl?
She bawl. Oh!
Oh, cry, This is when you were leaving?
Every time, yeah.
Oh,
when she going to school, the boss man have to stop and lock the window them because she she climbed through the window to come back to her mother.
No. So that's a bond.
She used to cry. Yeah, man. She used to cry. And it used to hurt my heart. But let me quickly finish telling you about the when she came to Wednesday morning, when she came here, she came and on the way back, when I got home in the evening, she said to me, Mommy, I want you to hear this. And she go studio the afternoon. She go home sleep, go studio. And when she played Burning, make me hear Simone and realize, say, She said, I wrote this on the way back. I finished writing this on the way back from studio, from TVJ today. Me sit down, so. That's when I realized that, no, man, this is not normal.
What is your favorite coffee?
All of them.
Okay, good answer.
But I have a thing with Blaze. Something about that Blaze that is sounding so.
Yeah.
I like Blaze.
So what now for you? Well, you're a
Psychiatric nursing aide.
psychiatric nursing aide,
Yes.
which is good because your head have problems.
Look, I know one doctor did
Generally,
tell me
so you can help yourself.
When we were train for the program, doctor said, oh, Joanne, you aren't going in the good place because you're already mad.
You are, jeez, trust me. What do you have to say? You wanted to shout out your colleagues
Yes,
this morning?
I want to say good morning, Mr. Brian. I soon come, soon forward,
Yes.
Mr. Brian. McFarlane, Tanso, Mary, so I'm saying all of them name. Ford, Service, David, who is on leave, and I think nurse was Dr. Nelson. Morning.
So while you're
Soon forward.
psychiatric nursing aide and you're also Koffee's manager. So
Momager.
Momager.
Yeah.
So you'll be traveling soon. When is your next trip?
Friday.
You're going to
We leave Friday.
Dubai.
Yeah, she leaves before I do, but I will catch up with her. Tammy Chang is her manager.
So you're doing
But
the world.
yes.
And you're soaking it in.
Aye.
We are so happy for you, Joe.
Thank you, Simone.
We are so happy for Koffee. And it's obvious just by the young woman she is that she has had a great role model.
Thank you so
To
much.
emulate coming up. And I'm not going to make you get away. We're going to leave, but you're going to have to sing us out with your favorite Koffee. Because I know you're also a singer.
Am I?
Yeah.
What would you say that, Simone?
So after 3, you're just going to sing us to break. 3.
Light me up, I'm at the gas station waiting.
Hey!
We are the ones on fire, got the whole world blazing. We have the fire full of love.
Okay, when is the duet? When is the duet?
We have the fire full of love.
All right, you know for sure. Come, we're waiting to hear the Koffee/Joe duo.
Look
and
here, you love
you'll
the
hear
Amzo
it
singer.
first on Smile Jamaica. Good
Simone.
to see you, lady.
Babe,
Good to
thank
see
you.
Good to have
Thank
you here.
so
And guys,
much.
we're going to try and catch up with Koffee as well after she comes back. Right?
And big up all my real friends them. All my real friends them who say them want big up. Me can't call everybody name, but
Yeah.
love you, no bless up. Bless up my real friends.
Every day, all day. Joanne Williams, coffee maker, mother of reggae artist Michaela Simpson, in our Woman Power Chat session this morning. This was fun. I could talk to you until next week, but we don't have until next week. We have to go to break. Beauty Concepts will share their latest promotion when we come back.